Hey, what's up everyone? Ben from ProFixer, and today we're going to talk about how to put your iPhone into DFU or recovery using a single cable. Generally, putting your phone into recovery or DFU is a pretty simple process. It involves a couple buttons to hold down in certain sequences for a certain amount of time, but it can get confusing jumping between them, and also it's a big time waster considering how fast and simple this Magico cable makes it be. So this will be a pretty quick video today. I'm going to show you how to use this. It's literally you plug it in and it works, but everything that I'm using today is linked in the description below, as well as all my favorite tools and equipment that I pick up from Injured Gadgets will be there as well, so definitely check that out. But without further ado, let me show you how this Magico cable works. Alright, depending on the model of phone that you have, to put it into DFU mode, it can involve holding the home button, it can involve a pattern of sequences with the volume and the power button, or just a couple other different things that you may have to do in order to get into recovery. It's kind of difficult to remember all of those, and like I said before, this Magico cable makes it extremely easy to get it there, so there's really no reason why not to use this Magico cable. So what you'll basically do is anytime this is plugged into power, and you plug it into a phone that is powered off, it will actually boot it up into recovery mode. So I'm going to show you that now. So this phone is completely on, and if we turn this off, I'm going to wait for that there to power off, and as soon as it's off, you can go ahead and plug it in, and it will boot up with the Magico cable and immediately be in recovery mode. So it's incredibly fast and simple. There's really no other product that works as fast as this. A lot of people say, hey, use RecBoot on your computer. Sometimes RecBoot doesn't always recognize the phone. This one here, as long as you can get it off, it's gonna recognize it and it's gonna put it in DFU mode. So if you accidentally put a phone into DFU mode with this, don't worry, it's not stuck there forever. Just go ahead and restart it just by holding the volume down and power button. It will power off and power right back up. So this Magico cable, I have it plugged in just to a regular USB right now, just because I don't need a computer over here because I'm not actually going to restore this particular device. But you can have this plugged into your computer and boot phones off of it and restore directly with this cable. No need to swap the cable out or anything like that. So literally plug it into your iTunes, or plug it into your computer that has iTunes like normal, turn the phone off, plug it in, let it boot. It's going to be in DFU or recovery mode, and then you can restore just like normal. The only time it'll ever kick it into recovery mode is if you power off the device and then plug it in and power it on with the boot prompt from the charge port. So it's an incredibly simple device, and I recommend everybody pick these up because these are like 10, 11 bucks from Injured Gadgets. A really handy device to have in your store, making all your processes even simpler. So don't have to have a tech trying to remember all the buttons, looking like an idiot in front of a customer. They can just plug this in and have the phones restored extremely quickly and faster than ever. So I definitely recommend picking those up. So definitely check out the links in the description below. If you liked this video, go to the like button. If you didn't, go to the dislike button. It seems to work okay too. As well, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button. I'll see you later.